I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Figo to accessory or run so sync is fully active. Once done, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on but not actively streaming. You do this because sync must be awake to edit paired devices. Without it, options won't appear. Now press the touchscreen menu or settings button and head into the Bluetooth or phone section. That's the first actionable step to reach the paired devices list. Once you're in the Bluetooth or phone menu, navigate to paired devices or device list and look for the phone name. You'll highlight the entry using the touchscreen or knob. Take your time to confirm the exact device to avoid deleting the wrong one. When selected, choose Remove, Delete, or Unpair and listen for the system prompt. This prevents accidental erasure. Confirm the action. Sync will update the list and drop the pairing, freeing the slot for new devices. After removing the device, restart sync or cycle the ignition to ensure the change persists. Then check your phone to confirm it no longer auto-connects. If it does, forget the vehicle profile on the phone too. If the device still appears in the Figo list or pairing fails afterward, perform a sync soft reset or power cycle the car. That usually clears cached entries. If problems persist, a factory reset of sync fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.